I am here today to go over what a partial foil is. So a lot of people book online and through our Vagaro booking website, on the website, 𝗧𝗢𝗡𝗘 and I think sometimes people get confused on what they need to book. So if you are looking for a partial foil or crown highlight, then you're going to want to use the option partial foil with blow dry or our new guest partial foil haircut blow dry options. To show you what a partial foil is, I actually just finished her up and I put foils on this top row of her hair. This is her natural hair. I've left this all alone. Today we did highlights and lowlights to break up the natural little sparkles that she has. And what I like to do is I do like to put a couple on the sides so that when she pulls her hair back, it doesn't look different than what's going on the top. So a partial foil is going to be this top section here, a few on the sides, on this side too. And see how all that's still left out natural. Now her next visit, we'll probably do a full foil. Full foil will be on another video. All right, I hope that explains what a partial foil is with highlights and lowlights.